Welcome back, viewers. In the last few videos, we have seen how to do the system update, remove the orphan packages, remove the package cache or clear the package cache. So now we will see how to clear the font cache. So what happens is, over a period of time, your system will get clogged with the font packages. So the font packages sometimes are very big, and they will just occupy the disk space, and then it will slow down your system as the fragmentation of the root file system will increase. So to prevent that, there is a script that is available in the Garuda Assistant. So you have to press this button, so it will activate the script which will run in the terminal and clear the font cache. So I will just show you. So here you can see these are the font caches. So the different font folders are there. So it will remove the many of the fonts, older files of the font. All those things which are unnecessary will be removed. Only the registered fonts will remain. Rest all the fonts, unnecessary font files will get removed. You can see the even caching is getting renewed. So new caches will form, older caches will get purged, and it will save the disk space and speed up your system, and it will remove all the clutter. So with this, I will stop the video here. In the next video, we will check out some other feature of Garuda Linux. Bye bye.